back to my channel. My name is Yadira and today I'm doing part 2 of my clean with me video. I'll have part 1 linked down in the description box if you guys haven't checked that out yet. So in last week's video for part 1 I tackled the first floor. I did the living room, the dining room, and the kitchen. So today for part 2 I'm tackling all the upstairs, so that includes the bedroom, the office, and the hallway, and I would say the guest room, but I didn't do anything in there besides clean the windows. So first I want to start off by saying that the lighting in this video might be off because since the time is changing, most of the sun hits the front of the house instead of the back. I remember last year when I was doing the cleaning videos, I would have to start in the back of the house and then move my way to the front of the house because of the way just like the sunlight would come in. But anyways, I started off by doing the bedroom first, and oh my god, the last time I cleaned the bedroom was literally months ago, I'm pretty sure, because we had so many water bottles just laying around. I don't even remember the last time I made the bed. That's how bad it was. And I usually always do the bed because I feel like once you make the bed, it just makes a huge difference in the bedroom and it just looks so much cleaner and just so much better. Literally, the room could be a mess. You could have so much stuff on the floor, but the minute you clean the bedroom, the minute you clean the bed, to me, it just looks so much cleaner. But because I've been so busy, whenever I clean, I just make sure I focus mostly on the main floor because that's where we are the most. Whenever I'm upstairs, I'm usually just there for the bedroom during the nighttime, so that's when we will go to bed. And the office doesn't get that dirty, and the guest room, we really don't have any guests in here like that, so it doesn't get dirty like that either. So I usually just like have such an easy time cleaning upstairs, but downstairs, since we're mostly there like all of the time, just gets a little bit more dirtier. That's why I just mostly focus on the first floor whenever I do cleaning videos. Also, anyone else put a whole bunch of pillows on their bed? Because the amount I have right now is ridiculous. The two white ones in the front go in the living room, but I didn't want those there for the fall time and I didn't have anywhere else to put them, so I just stuffed them onto the bed until Christmas time because that's when those are gonna go downstairs because of the whole white and red color theme. So right now I just have them on the bed and it just looks like half of the bed is just taken up by pillows.
I won't make it easy for you now. You got 2 minutes of my time, and I don't really break too easily, but I'm worth it, cause I'll slip into your dreams tonight. Oh, so give me your all. I'll take it to Mars. Oh, I'll stick like glue inside your mind.
Okay, so that dresser, I don't know why it gets so dirty. Usually people have like a chair where they stuff everything, dirty clothes, pillows, blankets, all that stuff. But for us, it's the dresser because we don't have a chair. So the dresser just gets so freaking dirty. Oh my goodness. Like you can see pants on there right now. My hairbrush, which should go in the bathroom. I just don't know. It just gets so dirty. So I definitely need to get like a chair so we can start putting all this stuff on the chair rather than the dresser, because sometimes it's very uncomfortable whenever you want to watch TV and you have like so much junk right underneath the TV. So it's very like bothersome.
So give me your all. I'll take it to Mars. Oh, I'll stick like glue inside your mind. Just watch me breaking. You're sweet. You're falling into me, touch me. I swear you would do anything that I want. So keep us awake till the dawn. Ooh, baby, feel free. I wanna make you sweat on me. I wanna make you sweat on me.
I definitely wanted to include window cleaning because that's just something that I feel like most people don't do every time they clean. It may be something that you do like once a month, but if you're like me, you probably do like once a year. So I made sure I did that in all the bedrooms and cleaned all around where it gets very dusty as well, which they were also pretty dirty as well. So now moving on to the office, like I said earlier, it doesn't get too dirty. The only thing that gets dirty in here is the desk because I just feel like it's very small. I definitely want to get like a brown one and maybe a little bit bigger than that, but I just don't know because this room isn't the biggest room. It's actually pretty small. So I don't know if like going bigger is going to be worth it. But also I made sure that I clean the stands behind where I'm standing because those can get pretty dusty as well.
Kinda new with apologies. Holding back, I got history. Yeah, yeah. But the way you've been crossing the line, oh, it's something in me that says it's fine. Hoping you wouldn't change me. Got the same old thoughts be my rep.
Also, sometimes I like changing things up a little bit. As you can see, everything that was on the left side of the table, I moved to the right side, and everything that was on the right side, I moved to the left side because every now and then a little change is okay.
Kinda used to these battlegrounds where you flee, you don't stick around, no. But the way you've been giving me time, oh, it's something in me that says it's fine. Hoping you wouldn't change me. Got the same old thoughts, be my referee. I will be.
So my next project in this house is to finish off the office. I have so many ideas, which is something that just like bothers me about myself because I always have so many ideas for like every room that I never know what to go with until like I start buying furniture. So for example, like for the living room, I didn't know what I wanted for the longest time, but once we started getting the furniture for that room, I ended up liking how it turned out. And like I've mentioned in so many videos now, I don't know if I want to get a coffee table or not, or if I just want it to be very open. So I'm having the same trouble with the office. I want to add a hanging chair. Like I said, I don't know if it's all gonna like look good because this room isn't the biggest. It's actually pretty small. So I don't know if adding a hanging chair is going to be worth it, even though I really want one. So I'm just going to see. I have to like play around with the furniture. And like I said, I want to get a bigger desk. So I don't know if that's going to even fit in there. So I just have so many freaking ideas that I just don't even know what to do. Like you can even see, I don't even have windows in this room because I'll just start decorating and then like I don't know what to do. So I'm just like very indecisive. So for the guest room, like I said, I didn't do much in this room. I only cleaned the windows and I also did the TV because my brother and my sister are the ones that really like sleep over a lot. And sometimes they'll like touch the TV with their hands, so their fingerprints will be on there. So I just make sure that I wipe that off and I also just did the windows.
Kinda simple, kinda wishful about things, and you're kinda simple, but like a pistol, you fire. Sometimes you get under my skin.
All right, so this hallway was so dirty. So we did like all of the laundry a few days before and we never put it away. So it was just all chilling in the hampers in the hallway. And on top of that, there was just so much stuff just chilling in the hallway, like you can see right now. all of my gifts and stuff were just like in the hallway. Like we just had so much junk on there. So in this deep clean, I made sure that I cleaned stuff that either hasn't been cleaned in a long time and we just don't do often. So the big mirrors in the hallway, I made sure I wiped those down because you could see my dog's nose marks and stuff on there. So I just wiped those down real quick, and I also made sure that I did like the windows and like the like around the windows and stuff, because those are just things that we don't clean often, and it's just something that like people in general don't really like clean every single day. So the last thing I did was vacuum upstairs. I didn't deep clean the carpet like I did the one downstairs, because the one downstairs my dog just like pees on that one, so I really had to make sure that I washed it, but she doesn't do that upstairs, so I just didn't really find the need to really clean the carpet upstairs. So I just vacuumed it. But I hope you guys found this video very helpful. Don't forget to give it a thumbs up and also subscribe for more videos. And I'll see you guys next Sunday. Bye, guys.